In this video, we are going to be taking a look at arithmetic operators. This video is going to be pretty short because arithmetic operators are simple in JavaScript. At least in my point of view, they are simple. We are going to be taking a look at arithmetic operators with the help of examples. So first, let's declare two variables where a is equals to 1 and where b is equals to 2. Now, let's take a look at addition operator. The addition operator is used to add two numbers or strings. Let's just say a plus b and it gives us 3. The addition operator can also be used to add strings. Let's just say hello plus world. It returns hello world. Now let's take a look at subtraction operator. The subtraction operator is used to subtract two numbers. What? Oh please, you know what subtraction operator means? You don't need to say subtraction operator is used to subtract things. Alright, don't mind him. Let's just say a minus b. It gives minus 1. Now let's take a look at multiplication operator. The multiplication operator is used to multiply things. Here we go again. Don't they know that multiplication operator is used to multiply things? But I'm just trying to be descriptive here. Do you want to try this? No, I'm fine, thank you. Now let's just say a star b gives 2. That's how multiplication operator works. Now let's take a look at exponentiation operator. The exponentiation operator is used when you want to find the exponential of a number. This man can't be helped. Please bear with me. Please let me explain. The exponentiation operator is nothing but it's just when you raise a number to a power. That is, it gives a result of 2 power 3. This example is not quite suited to explain exponential operator. So let's just change the example. Let's just say 2 star star 3. The answer is 8. So it gives us 2 raised to the power 3. That's how exponentiation works. Now let's take a look at division operator. As the name explains, division operator gives 4 by 2 is equals to he escaped this 2. Time. Now let's take a look at modulo operator. The division operator gives the quotient of a division, whereas the modulo operator is used to get the remainder of a division. Let's just see an example. Let's just say 5 modulo 2. It gives 1. That is 5 divided by 2. We get a remainder of 1. Now let's take a look at increment operator. Now let's declare a variable where a equals 1. Let's say a plus plus. Now let's console.log a. The value of a is incremented to 2. There are two types of increment operator, post increment operator and pre-increment operator. The post increment operator increases the value of the variable after the statement is executed. That is, what I mean over here is, let's just say console.log a plus plus. That is, the value of a is still 1 over here. You need to mention a plus plus over here. That is, the value of a is increased only after the statements get executed. Now let's take a look at pre-increment operator. Let's just say plus plus. The value of the a is incremented when the statement is being executed. I hope you understand the concept of pre-increment and post-increment operator. When you put a plus plus, this is post-increment operator. That is, the value of a is incremented only after the statements get executed. When you put plus plus before the variable name, that is plus plus a, the value of the variable gets incremented when the statement is executed. Now let's take a look at decrement operator. Decrement operator is similar to increment operator and it also has two types. Now let's say a minus minus, nothing happens, and let's just say pre-increment operator, a minus minus, it gives 0, and just for the sake of try, let's just say a minus minus over here and it returns 0. Alright, that's it for today guys. Check out the next video for assignment operators. Thank you for watching. I hope you're enjoying the playlist.